Stop begging for attention. The more you chase people, the less they value you. The moment you try to prove your worth to others, you give them power over you. And that's the first rule of losing respect. Seeking it. In a world where everyone's shouting to be noticed, silence becomes magnetic. The Stoics understood this centuries ago. They knew power doesn't come from chasing people's approval. It comes from mastering yourself. Think about it. The ones who demand attention usually lose it fast. But the ones who don't need it, they attract it naturally. Because energy doesn't lie. Calm confidence is louder than noise. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one." That line holds more truth today than ever. Stop explaining yourself. Stop proving your worth. Just live it. People notice real strength without words. When you stop begging for validation, something incredible happens. You shift from needy to noble. You stop being a follower and start becoming a leader. People are drawn to those who move with purpose, who speak less but mean more. Let's be real. What's be were? Einsiwer einster adveru. Most people waste their energy chasing others who barely care. You text first, you call again, you wait for attention that never comes. But here's the truth. The moment you stop giving that energy away, it returns to you tenfold. You become focused, grounded, unbothered. You start valuing your time and energy, and that's when people begin to notice your absence more than they ever noticed your presence. Seneca once said, "He who is brave is free." Freedom isn't about escaping others, and it's about escaping the need for their approval. The moment you let go of that need, you take back control of your emotions. So what do you do instead? Build yourself. Master your emotions. Learn new things. Focus on your peace. Because when you become your own source of validation, the outside world loses its control over you. Every time you feel the urge to chase someone's attention, remind yourself, I am enough. You don't need to beg to be seen. You just need to grow so much that they can't ignore you. When you start walking with calm confidence, you attract people, not by need, but by energy. People are drawn to peace, not chaos, to focus, not desperation. That's the Stoic way, to be still in a world that never stops shouting. The modern world is full of distractions. Everyone wants likes, comments, approval, but very few seek purpose. Don't join that noise. Be the one who stands apart, focused and calm. Let your results speak louder than your posts. Attention is a currency. Don't spend it cheaply. Invest it in yourself. Read more. Learn. Build. When you glow differently, people notice without you saying a single word. The goal isn't to be popular, it's to be peaceful. The moment you stop needing attention, you get exactly what you deserve. Respect. Because respect comes from self-respect first. So, do not beg for attention. Build yourself so strong, so grounded that your silence becomes unforgettable. And when you finally stop chasing people, you'll realize the right ones never needed to be chased.